4 credit unions that guarantee your starting credit limit before approval. These credit unions offer advantages over many large banks, including being more accepting of those with low credit scores or short credit histories. They also often provide better interest rates on loans and savings accounts. For those of us either rebuilding credit or trying to establish credit, these credit unions can be a great alternative to traditional banks. Credit unions differ from traditional banks in that they're member-driven, with a focus on relationship banking. This is why building a relationship with a credit union is so valuable. It can lead to higher approval limits, even when traditional banks might not offer the same opportunities. So, let's dive into the video and take a look at the first credit card available from one of these credit unions. NASA Federal Credit Union. The first credit union on our list is NASA Federal Credit Union. I did their pre-approval process and was pre-approved for $10,000. The process was straightforward, very easy, and had no impact on my credit score. From my research, this is common with NASA. Many people receive similar limits. To join, you'll need to open a savings account with a minimum deposit of $5, and NASA will perform a hard pull from your Experian credit report. Here are the 3 steps to become a member of NASA Federal Credit Union. Have your government-issued ID, complete mailing address, social security number, and date of birth. Select your eligibility option. You may qualify under the first 3 options if you are an employee or retiree of NASA, a member of NASA's Federal Association, or related to or living with a NASA federal member. For those who do not meet these criteria, you can join the NES, National Space Society, as an affiliated member for free. Now, let's look at some credit card options they offer. Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards Card earns 1 point per dollar spent, with a low APR starting at 14.64%. Get Cashback Card offers 1.5% unlimited cashback, with rates as low as 7.99%. Low Fixed Rate Card, fixed rates starting as low as 12.4% April. Visa Shared Secured Card requires a $500 deposit and offers the option to graduate to a higher limit. Let's move on to the next credit union. Patelco Credit Union. Patelco Credit Union offers a pre-approval card with a limit up to $50,000. They also perform a hard pull from Experian after you accept the card offer. To become a member, you can join the Financial Fitness Association for $8. Here are some of their credit card options. Pure MasterCard and Points Rewards World MasterCard offer pre-qualification options. Pure Secured MasterCard is also available for those rebuilding credit, with the opportunity to graduate to unsecured status after 6 months. Dover Federal Credit Union. Dover Federal Credit Union, based in Delaware, offers a cashback credit card with a low APR of 11.74%. You can become a member by joining Bombay Hook for an annual fee, which then grants you access to Dover's credit products. Their credit cards include Advantage Credit Card, a low APR card starting at 11.74%. Cashback Credit Card, offers 2% cashback on daily spending, with a credit limit up to $50,000. To get pre-qualified for Dover Federal Credit Union cards, check your rates on their site to view potential offers within minutes. PenFed Credit Union. PenFed Credit Union is another great option. You only need to open a regular savings account with a small deposit to become a member. PenFed offers multiple credit cards, each with pre-qualification options. Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card. Pathfinder Visa Rewards Card. Gold Visa Rewards Card. Each of these cards can have a limit of up to $25,000, allowing for a total of $50,000 in personal credit. That wraps up our list of credit unions where you can get pre-qualified and join without needing special affiliations. These credit unions offer very low interest rates, with many also offering secured options for those building credit. If you don't pre-qualify, build a relationship with the credit union. For example, if you secure the maximum $50,000 at 2 credit unions, you'll have $100,000 in personal credit. You can also work up to becoming a member with Dover and PenFed, potentially giving you $200,000 in credit line access by joining 4 credit unions. Remember, always do your due diligence as rates and terms can change. If there's a credit union you'd like me to review, or if you have experience with any of these, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.